Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lupe and today I'm going to be trying two makeup trends that have been going on. The first one is a TikTok foundation hack in which you apply your primer and foundation in a different order that you would normally do. And the second one is Foxy eyes. It is how to create a model look without any surgery, you know, the ones that are like this, a snatch face, the Bella Hadid or Kendall Jenner look. So if you want to see how these makeup trends look and how you achieve them and if they really work, because I want to try this foundation hack and wear it throughout the day to see if it really works, because if it doesn't, then it isn't really helpful. It isn't actually a hack. And yeah, if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start with my face, and for that I have to do the foundation hack that it is on TikTok, and I'll show you right now that clip so that you know what I'm talking about.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first, then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray, it could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
The first step is moisturizer, and that isn't really weird. If you have a dry face, this is a must do step. And I'm going to use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. This is balm. I'm almost out of it. Maybe I am out of it. There you go. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. Now, this moisturizer is rather on the pricier side, but it is actually worth it. I mean, look at my skin, look at the glow it leaves, and I have a really dry skin, and this is one of the few moisturizers that actually do something for my skin. Now, this is the part where things get weird, because now I have to apply powder, and this feels so wrong for me because I've been watching makeup tutorials and advice from makeup artists, and they always tell you that powders go after liquids, and you're telling me I have to apply powder before foundation? Doesn't feel right. But we all know that makeup ain't no science. There are no actual steps that you have to follow in order to achieve the right makeup. So this is why we're trying this today. And well, I'm going to use my trusty highlight and contour palette from the Balm and set my entire face with a fluffy face brush. Now, the third step is to set your face with setting spray, but like I said in my previous video,
I'm at my parents' house and I wasn't expecting this lockdown to go on for this long, so I didn't bring much of my makeup, and between those products that I didn't bring was my setting spray.
So I'm going to use something else that, like I said, I'm not going to show on camera because maybe it is not good for your skin and I don't want to get any complaints. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. But of course, use your setting spray if you have one. Now it's time for foundation, and I'm going to use Lancome Tint Miracle in the shade 03. I'm going to apply some bumps on the back of my hand and apply with a Real Techniques sponge. I've seen other YouTubers try this trend and they all say it gives you more of a full coverage look, and I'm hoping I can achieve that too, but we'll see. I guess the YouTubers weren't wrong when they said it gives you a full coverage look. It is a bit cakey around here, but on the other parts it looks pretty good. I mean, this doesn't look bad at all. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, because if you want to see that, I have other tutorials you can go check out, but for now I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. And I'm done with my face. So first impressions, I really like it. I didn't notice any difference with my actual steps of application, but yeah, I don't have any complaints. I mean, will I still do it? I have to check. Like I said, I'm going to wear this throughout the day and then tell you how it worked. It does seem more full coverage. It worked really well with my concealer. can't really tell any difference, so I'm guessing that's good. Now let's move on to the Foxy eyes part. So this makeup trend, the Foxy eye, consists on giving your face a lift like this, but without any surgery, and it is achieved with makeup, and that is to kind of transform your brows to make them more straight so that they kind of point up a little bit. And the main goal is to have a large space between the end of your brow and the end of your eye right here, and that is achieved by tracing a different form of your eyebrows if you don't have a straight brow already, and with eyeliner. I'm gonna show you now how to do that, but I want to say that I learned how to do this by watching Anna Sarelli's video on it. It was really helpful and really educational. I learned a lot from it, so you should go check that one too. Great video, Anna. So the first thing to achieve a Foxy eye look is brows, and you're gonna have to trim them if you don't have a straight brow. And let me tell you that I really like the shape of my eyebrows, and I'm going to do this just for the sake of this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and at least make this worth it, please. So what you have to do is take a spoolie brush them up first, and then you have to place it from the beginning of your brow. Place straight the brush, and I look so crazy right now, and the rest that is down, you see that end, has to go. Now the other side. Now the next part we're going to do by drawing, and I'm going to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. And remember that you want to keep the shape straight and outwards, actually kind of upwards. So you should do a straight line on the bottom and then the slightest curve just to connect the up and down part. And if you need, grab your tweezers and tweeze some more. That is it for brows for now, but lastly I'm going to set using the NYX Control Freak gel. For your eyes, what you're going to need is first a liner brush and some neutral eyeshadows. I'm going to use the Just Peachy Mattes palette by Too Faced. First, I'm going to use the shade Peach Tart. Any dark brown will do. What you're going to do is look straight into your mirror and then press the brush, following your eyeline. And just do a tiny eyeliner. Keeping it only on the outer corner, not bringing it into the center of your eye. And then you're going to line the waterline just to create shadow in here so that you can create an almond eye. And that is it for eyeshadow. If you want, you can create a whole makeup look, but I'm just doing it natural so that I can show you the basics of the Foxy eye. And the next step is mascara. First, I'm going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Indestructible. And the thing with mascara is that you want to curl your lashes outwards, not like this, but into your outer corner to add on to that almond shape. And see how I don't put mascara on my inner corner, and I'm not going to apply it on my lower lash line, because when you apply it on your lower lash line, it makes your eyes bigger, and that's not what we're going for. Wow, it is weird. I really feel like I have a facelift because my entire eye shape changed. That only means it's working. I'm going to apply some lipstick on my cheek. I'm going to apply some lipstick and I'll be right back. So this is my final look, trying out these two makeup trends, the Tik Tok foundation hack and the Foxy eyes. Now my thoughts on this. As for the foundation, I really like how my face is looking, how my skin is looking. I think every product grabbed on to it perfectly, it blended really well. I'll come back to you later after a few hours to tell you how it stayed on my face. And as for the Foxy eyes, I actually really like it. I feel fierce. I don't know, it's like I'm channeling my inner Bella Hadid, and I gotta tell you, I'm feeling good. It is a big boost of confidence, and it is for free and painless. I didn't have to go through all those threads to do this to my face. You can do that by shaping your brows and doing eyeliner, and by the way you apply mascara. You should definitely try this out. I'll see you later. Bye! Hey guys, it's been a few hours now, and let me tell you, my skin is still looking good. I don't think it is cakey, it's just overall okay. I think I'm rating this a 9 out of 10. Is this TikToker a genius? Maybe. Is she crazy for doing these tips? Maybe. But crazy and genius go together most of the times. But try it for yourself and let me tell you what you think. Okay guys, this is it for today's video. I really enjoyed trying out these trends and I hope you did as well. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video, which is every Friday. And see you in the next video. Bye!